Champions Trophy 2025 continues with an exciting encounter between Afghanistan and Australia in the tournament's 10th match. Both teams are eager to secure a victory to enhance their standings in Group B. Talking about match details of this high-stakes encounter. Fixture: Afghanistan vs Australia, Match 10. Date: February 28, 2025. Time: 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Venue: Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Talking about match preview of Afghanistan-Australia game. Afghanistan enters this match with a boost of confidence after a thrilling 8-run victory over England. Ibrahim Zadran's remarkable 177-run inning was pivotal in setting up a competitive total. Australia, on the other hand, had previous match against South Africa abandoned due to rain, leaving them eager to return to winning ways. Both teams have one win each in this tournament, making this match a crucial for semi-final aspirations. Talking about head-to-head record of Afghanistan-Australia games. In ODI history, Afghanistan and Australia have faced each other 4 times, Australia emerging victorious in all encounters. Afghanistan will be aiming to break the streak and register their first win against the mighty Aussies. Weather and pitch report of Afghanistan vs Australia game. Temperature approximately around 19 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast: light rain is anticipated, which could influence matches proceedings. Talking about pitch behavior. The Gaddafi pitch is known to favor the batsman, offering a batting-friendly surface. Pace bowlers might find some assistance, especially under overcast conditions. The average first inning score here is around 301 runs. Teams chasing have a favorable record with a winning percentage of 80%. Now talking about where to watch Afghanistan-Australia game. Cricket enthusiasts can watch the live action of Afghanistan vs Australia match on Star Sports and Sports 18 channels in India. For online streaming, match will be available on Jio Hotstar application and the website. Now moving on to probable playing 11s of Afghanistan-Australia game. Firstly, Afghanistan. Rahmanullah Gurbaz, the wicketkeeper, opening alongside Ibrahim Zadran. At number 3, Sadiqullah Atal. At number 4, Rahmat Shah. At number 5, Hashmatullah Shahidi, the captain. At number 6, Azmatullah Umarzai. At number 7, Mohammad Nabi. At number 8, Gulbuddin Naib. At number 9, Rashid Khan. At number 10, Noor Ahmed. And finally, Fazal Haq Farooqi at number 11. Talking about Australia, Matthew Short opening the inning alongside Travis Head. At number 3, Steven Smith, the captain. At number 4, Marnus Labuschagne. At number 5, Josh Inglis, the wicketkeeper. At number 6, Alex Carey. At number 7, Glenn Maxwell. At number 8, Ben Dvorak. At number 9, Nathan Ellis. At number 10, Adam Zampa. And finally, Spencer Johnson at number 11. Moving on to fantasy cricket tips of Afghanistan-Australia game. Firstly, captaincy picks. Travis Head. Haven't got much runs yet, but is a top candidate for captaincy. Steven Smith. The experienced all-rounder captain anchors the batting lineup and is known for his consistency. Moving on to top picks. Mohammad Nabi. A versatile all-rounder, Nabi provides depth to both batting and bowling lineups of the team. Marnus Labuschagne. Australia's top-notch middle-order batsman and a handy spinner, providing much-needed stability to the team. Now talking about budget picks. Noor Ahmed, a dangerous Afghanistani spinner. Noor adds depth to Afghanistan's bowling lineup with his unmatched skills. Ibrahim Zadran. Ibrahim's stellar 177-run knock against England make him a valuable yet economical choice. Now finally, the Dream 11 team suggestions of Afghanistan-Australia games. Team 1. Wicketkeeper Josh Inglis. Batsman Travis Head, Ibrahim Zadran, Marnus Labuschagne. All-rounders Glenn Maxwell, Mohammad Nabi, Azmatullah Umarzai and Matthew Short. And the bowlers Rashid Khan, Adam Zampa and Ben Dvorak. Talking about captains and vice-captains. Travis Head will be leading this side, having Mohammad Nabi as his deputy. Now talking about Team 2. Wicketkeepers Rahmanullah Gurbaz and Josh Inglis. Batsmen Travis Head, Steve Smith, Ibrahim Zadran and Marnus Labuschagne. All-rounders Mohammad Nabi and Matthew Short. And finally the bowlers Rashid Khan, Adam Zampa and Ben Dvorak. Talking about captains and vice-captains, Marnus Labuschagne will be vice-captain of this team, having Steve Smith as the leader. Now talking about players to avoid. Hashmatullah Shahidi. Despite being the captain, Shahidi has had a limited impact in the recent matches, making him a less favourable pick for the teams. Sadiqullah Atal had got the chances but haven't proved himself. So he's a bit risky option for the 11. Now finally, the match prediction of Afghanistan-Australia game. Afghanistan comes into the match with high level of confidence after their stunning victory over England. Ibrahim Zadran's record-breaking 177-run inning has given the batting lineup a much-needed boost. With Rahmanullah Gurbaz at the top and all-rounders like Mohammad Nabi and Azmatullah Umarzai adding depth, Afghanistan has well-rounded squad. Rashid Khan remains their biggest weapon with the ball, alongside Noor Ahmed and Fazal Haq Farooqi. Australia, however, remains the stronger side on paper. Despite their rain-affected game against South Africa, their squad boasts quality players like Steve Smith, Travis Head, Glenn Maxwell and Adam Zampa. And their pace attack, including Nathan Ellis and Spencer Johnson, can exploit Afghanistan's batting weaknesses. The key battle will be between Afghanistan's spinners and Australia's aggressive batting lineup. If Rashid Khan and Noor Ahmed can put pressure on the Aussies, Afghanistan could make a game out of it. However, Australia's superior experience in the big matches makes them the favourites. Now final take, Australia is expected to win, but Afghanistan could cause an upset if their spinners dominate. Stay tuned for more of cricket analysis, match predictions and Dream 11 predictions only on Cricket Addictor.